Most people think business success is about hard work and luck, but they're wrong. The secret to winning isn't obvious, it's strategy. In fact, history is full of entrepreneurs who worked tirelessly, only to end up burned out and broke. Why? Because they focused on effort without direction. Let's think about this for a moment. You could spend every waking hour grinding, attending meetings, networking, and making calls. But if you don't have a clear strategy, if you don't know which opportunities to pursue and which ones to ignore, you're playing a losing game. Hard work alone doesn't guarantee success. The marketplace doesn't reward effort, it rewards results. So what's the real game changer here? It's about having a well-thought-out blueprint. The winners aren't just lucky or hardworking, they have a game plan. They understand the rules of the game they're playing, and they know when to pivot, when to double down, and when to cut their losses. Why does this matter so much? Because in the fast-paced world of business, things change rapidly. Trends evolve, markets shift, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Without a strategy, you're just reacting to events as they happen, rather than proactively shaping your path. Winners aren't just those who work harder, they're the ones who anticipate change and prepare for it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll reveal the ultimate business strategy that separates the winners from the losers. On the one hand, we have smart investors multiplying their wealth by knowing exactly where to put their money. Conversely, angry, stressed-out entrepreneurs make bad decisions and lose everything. Now here's the truth. It's not just about working harder. It's about working smarter, with a strategy that minimizes risk while maximizing profit. Think about the difference between a chess player and someone playing checkers. The chess player thinks multiple moves ahead, anticipates potential outcomes, and adapts to changing circumstances. Meanwhile, the checkers player moves piece by piece, hoping things will work out. The difference? Strategy. Let's explore this idea further. Imagine you're an investor looking at 2 different businesses. One has a solid, repeatable model for growth, while the other is constantly chasing trends without a clear plan. Which one do you back? The answer is obvious. And yet, so many people still go into business without a long-term strategy, relying instead on instinct and hope. There are 2 key moves in business. Spotting undervalued opportunities like properties or assets most people overlook. Knowing when to walk away from a bad deal, even when emotions are telling you to stay. Now let's break those down. Spotting undervalued opportunities isn't just about luck or intuition. It's about being informed and knowing what to look for. It's about recognizing value where others see nothing. And walking away from a bad deal, that takes discipline. It means controlling your emotions and trusting the process. But how do you spot these opportunities? It starts with education. Winners invest time in learning about markets, trends, and human behavior. They develop a keen sense of timing and understand that success often comes down to making the right move at the right moment. The winners, they follow a blueprint. They understand timing, leverage, and risk management. And now you know the ultimate business strategy you're not using. Want to learn how to create viral Minecraft parkour clips for free? Click the video popping up on your screen right now. See you there.